Tired of juggling multiple cards? Let's unlock the secret to using your Wise virtual card with Apple Pay for seamless payments. First, launch the Wise app on your iPhone and navigate to the Cards tab. It's usually at the bottom of your screen. Select the virtual card you wish to add to Apple Pay. If you don't have a virtual card yet, you can create one with just a tap. Look for the Add to Apple Wallet button. It's typically displayed prominently on the card details screen, and then tap it. Your iPhone will guide you through the Apple Pay setup. Carefully review the card details, like your name and card number, making any necessary corrections. Read and accept the terms and conditions. This is a crucial step to ensure you understand the agreement before proceeding. Apple Pay will then verify your card. This might involve a security code sent to your registered phone number or email address. Follow the on-screen instructions. Once verified, your Wise virtual card is ready to use with Apple Pay. Simply hold your iPhone near a contactless payment terminal or use it for online purchases where Apple Pay is accepted. Now you can enjoy the convenience and security of Apple Pay with the global reach of your Wise virtual card, making transactions easier than ever. Remember to manage your virtual cards and spending limits within the Wise app for optimal control.